Welcome to the investment markets overview for the week ending the 22nd of April 2022. The final Eurozone consumer price inflation numbers for March were released this week, and they were shocking. So what is the main cause of the rise? The major newswires would have you believe that it is all due to energy prices, and to an extent it is. But a glance at the left-hand chart compares the headline number in black against the core CPI number, shown in red. This excludes energy and food prices, yet it has still spiked. Now study the right-hand chart, which shows the European Central Bank assets versus the headline CPI. By stoking the balance sheet with a near 10 trillion euros of newly minted debt, ECB President Lagarde is responsible for spiking prices, trashing the euro, impoverishing large segments of the eurozone and, with a capital stock worth just 11 billion euros, she is on course to bankrupt the central bank as it is now leveraged by 1,000 to 1. The overview includes the performance statistics for the main stock indices, which were mixed, as were the cryptocurrencies. Whilst the sovereign bond yields were higher across the board, and the commodities covered were lower. Meanwhile, our regional coverage includes the relationship between rapidly rising US mortgage rates and home sales. The plunging UK retail sales. Whilst out east, China's falling GDP is in focus. According to the latest polls, French President Emmanuel Macron is home and dry for a second term at the helm of Europe's second-largest economy. However, despite Macron playing the experienced statesman amid Russia's war with Ukraine and Le Pen pushing the president of the people card, the electorate's main concern is the fall in their living standards and their confidence on who can improve them. Le Pen's appeal to the young and the working class suggests a far closer competition than expected. A win by the challenger will frighten the European Union as she wants to transform it into an alliance of nations, which ironically may be the death knell for the ECB also. A final performance table for the major stock indices since the year 2000 concludes the investment markets overview. A one-month trial of this 40 times per year publication is available for less than $15, a whopping 70% discount. It's an ideal opportunity to grab the bargain for 4 publications. We strive to turn the technical into plain-speaking observations, backed up by factual charts and context. Join us for a guide through the maze of economic and market data via the weekly 5-page overview.